Hi everyone, today in Retech we're going to talk about the Makefile. So there are two options how to configure. You can do it automatic or you can do it by changing the file. So if we go to the properties of the project, then we go to Omnet and we go here to see there's documentation, Makefile, net source, project feature. So let's take make and then we take the RC make and then we click option. So this Makefile will be written with these configurations that you can see here in this window. So whatever you put here, if you want to include a directory, it will appear here and then it will appear in the Makefile. Then you have the previews, the custom, all depends of what you need. So let's now open it. We double click and we can see here the target directory where the output files will be, the name of the project, the libraries we are using, where to get them, and all these are the configurations you saw in the previous window. So you can do changes here or you can do changes in the properties. Remember that if you create automatic, be careful that whatever you do here, it will be changed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see the next episode of Omnet++. See you in the next video. Bye bye.